Introduce highlight features or overview summary for greenhouse heater with thermostat. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: advanced greenhouse heater with thermostat, precisely control temperatures from 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 108 degrees Fahrenheit or 5 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius, while selecting 20, 750, 1500 watt outputs for customized climate management. Multi-purpose heating powerhouse. Functions equally well as a greenhouse heater, patio warmer, or electric space heater with its versatile 3-stage output. Instant PTC ceramic warmth. Rapidly heats any space using advanced ceramic technology, perfect for outdoor heaters for patio or greenhouse use. Triple defense shield. IPX4 rated waterproof/dustproof housing plus anti-corrosion exterior guarantees reliable operation as outdoor heaters for patio or humid greenhouse heater environments. Plug-play outdoor ready. Effortless setup with hanging hook and ground base options, the ultimate greenhouse heater solution for gardens or covered patios. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.